have you been learning Cantonese? You'll be able to answer this question in Cantonese by the end of this video. Today's question for you is, how long have you been learning Cantonese? 你學廣東話學咗幾耐? 你學廣東話學咗幾耐? Before we learn how to answer this question, let me introduce some useful words that you will need to use when telling the duration of time. Let's take a look of the list. We have 年、月、星期、日、鐘、分鐘 and 秒. Now, let me give you some examples. 一年 means 1 year. 兩個月 means 2 months. With months, we need to put a measure word 個 before 月. 三個星期 means 3 weeks. With weeks, we also have to put a measure word 個 before 星期. 四日 means 4 days. 五個鐘 means 5 hours. With hours, we also need to put a measure word 個 before 鐘. 6分鐘 means 6 minutes. 7秒 means 7 seconds. If you have just started learning Cantonese, you can say 我啱啱開始學廣東話. 我啱啱開始學廣東話. 啱啱 means just, and 開始 means start. If you want to be more specific, like you have been learning for a year, you can say 我學咗1年. 我學咗1年. In Cantonese, we add different words to represent the change of tenses without changing the character itself. 咗 here represents present perfect continuous tense, indicating you have been doing something. 學咗 here means have been learning. 咗 can also represent present perfect tense, as in have done something. So, if you've been learning for a month, you can say 我學咗1個月. 我學咗1個月. How about for a week? That's right. You can say 我學咗1個星期. 我學咗1個星期. How about for 3 days? That's right. You can say 我學咗3日. 我學咗3日. If you want to share that you spend an hour to learn Cantonese every week, for example, you can say 我每個星期用1個鐘學廣東話. 我每個星期用1個鐘學廣東話. 每 here means every, and 用 means spend. How about 40 minutes? That's right. You can say 我每個星期用40分鐘學廣東話. 我每個星期用40分鐘學廣東話. 你學廣東話學咗幾耐? Can you answer this question in Cantonese? That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.